Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hair collaboration is with Beautyforeverhair. I'm going to show you guys how I straight out the packaging and then how I color. I'm going to have detailed videos in the eye above so you guys can check it out to see in depth. I'm just going to show you guys like a time lapse type of video. But yeah, so this is the packaging that it comes in. Like that. And then when you open the packaging, okay, you get a wig cap like this, and you also get an adjustable band that looks like this. Okay, and they also give you some lashes and an extra comb that you can sew into the wig if you want. This is really cute. So there's also an envelope in here, and it's a light purple pinkish color. So it says Beauty Forever, and to follow them and their information here, the information is also going to be in the description box if you guys just want to click the link. If y'all know Aaliyah's face, this is her. Alright you guys, so this is the wig. This is a 24-inch curly wig. It's super pretty, I could already tell. So it comes in a net. That's my mom. Oh. You're blurry in the background. But it comes in a net and it looks like this. Super pretty. This is the hairline right out the packaging, so you know we're gonna have to go in and do some heavy plucking. It looks like this, but the hair looks really pretty. Okay, so after that, all I do, oh, this is the inside also. It's a 13 by 6. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and mix my bleach. I'm gonna have my how I bleach my knots tutorial in the eye above, so you guys can check it out. Yeah. And also, if anybody was interested in what I use to bleach my wigs, I use these because a lot of people always ask me, and I always show you guys, but people still comment it. So
You got the whole world in your hands, but you be playing, fucking all the girls she can't stand. Bitches and hoes, so many bitches and hoes, but they don't. You don't know my.
Making love to the beat so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know.